The animal kingdom never ceases to amaze. From the majestic lions of the savannah to the tiny insects that play crucial roles in our ecosystems, every creature has its own story to tell. Each species, no matter how big or small, contributes to the intricate tapestry of life on Earth. In a world of browns, greens and greys, the forest floor is a canvas painted with subtle hues. The leaves rustle gently, and the undergrowth provides shelter to countless creatures, each perfectly adapted to its environment. Amidst this natural palette, a splash of pink always captures the eye. It's a colour that stands out, drawing attention and evoking curiosity. Whether it's a flower in bloom or an unexpected creature, pink is a rarity in the wild. This is especially true when we consider the humble mouse. Often overlooked, these small mammals play a vital role in their ecosystems, from seed dispersal to being a food source for predators. While most mice blend into the undergrowth, their brown and grey fur providing perfect camouflage, there exists a mouse that defies this norm. Hidden among the leaves and twigs, these mice are masters of disguise. The pink mouse stands out, a beacon of uniqueness. Its vibrant hue is not just a visual delight, but also a symbol of the incredible diversity found in nature. Unlike its camouflaged counterparts, the pink mouse is impossible to miss. These creatures are not a distinct species, but rather a testament to the power of genetic variation. Scientists have long been fascinated by these pink mice, studying them to understand the genetic mutations that result in their unique coloration. Their pink coloration is not a trick of the light or a result of their environment. It remains consistent across different lighting conditions, making it clear that this trait is deeply embedded in their genetic makeup. It is an inherent characteristic passed down through their genes. This genetic trait is a fascinating example of how nature can produce such unexpected and beautiful variations. This makes them particularly fascinating to scientists and animal lovers alike. Researchers delve into their genetic codes, hoping to unlock secrets that could have broader implications for understanding genetics and evolution. Their existence challenges our preconceived notions of what a mouse should look like. The contrast between the pink mouse and its more common relatives serves as a reminder of the endless possibilities within the natural world, reminding us that nature is full of surprises. Just when we think we have seen it all, a new discovery like the pink mouse comes along, reigniting our sense of wonder and appreciation for the diversity of life on our planet. The secret to the pink mouse's unique appearance lies in its genes. These genes are the fundamental units of heredity, carrying the instructions that dictate every aspect of an organism's development and function. In the case of our pink mouse, a fascinating genetic mutation has led to its unusual coloration. Genes are like blueprints that determine an organism's traits, from its size and shape to its coloration. Each gene is a segment of DNA, a long molecule that contains our unique genetic code. This code is made up of sequences of 4 chemical bases, which pair up to form the rungs of the DNA ladder. The order of these bases determines the instructions for building and maintaining an organism. In most mice, genes dictate the production of melanin, the pigment responsible for brown, black and yellow fur. Melanin is produced by cells called melanocytes, which are found in the skin and hair follicles. The amount and type of melanin produced by these cells determine the color of the mouse's fur. For example, a high concentration of eumelanin results in black or brown fur, while pheomelanin gives a yellow or red hue. However, pink mice possess a mutation in a specific gene, often referred to as the color gene. This mutation alters the normal function of the gene, leading to a disruption in the production of melanin. As a result, the fur of these mice lacks the typical pigmentation seen in their brown or black counterparts. This mutation disrupts the normal production of melanin, resulting in a lack of pigment in their fur. Without melanin, the fur appears white or pink depending on the underlying skin color and the visibility of blood vessels. This lack of pigmentation can also affect other parts of the body, such as the eyes, which may appear red or pink due to the absence of melanin in the iris. Without melanin to color their coat, the underlying blood vessels become visible through their skin, giving them their characteristic pink hue. This phenomenon is similar to what happens in albino animals, where a genetic mutation leads to a complete lack of melanin production. In both cases, the absence of pigment allows the blood vessels to show through, resulting in a pink or red appearance. This genetic quirk is a powerful example of how even small changes in DNA can have dramatic effects on an organism's appearance. It highlights the intricate and delicate nature of genetic regulation, where a single mutation can lead to significant changes in phenotype. Understanding these genetic mechanisms not only provides insight into the diversity of life, but also has important implications for fields such as medicine, agriculture, and conservation. By studying these unique genetic variations, scientists can develop new strategies for treating genetic disorders, improving crop yields, and preserving endangered species. The world of pink mice is not limited to a single shade. These fascinating creatures come in a variety of pink hues, each one more enchanting than the last. From the softest blush to the most vibrant rose, pink mice are a testament to nature's incredible palette. Their unique coloration is not just a random occurrence, but a result of intricate genetic variations and environmental factors. Just as there are many shades of pink in a garden, where each flower boasts its own unique tint and vibrancy, pink mice too exhibit a wide spectrum of hues. Imagine walking through a garden filled with roses, tulips and peonies, each one displaying a different shade of pink. This is akin to the diversity found in pink mice. These mice can exhibit a spectrum of hues, ranging from the lightest, almost white pink to the deepest, most intense magenta. Each mouse's colour is a unique blend of its genetic makeup and the environment it inhabits. The variety in their coloration is not just visually appealing, but also serves as a fascinating subject for scientific study. Some individuals might have a very pale, almost translucent pink, resembling a delicate blush. This subtle hue can be so faint that it almost appears white under certain lighting conditions. These mice often blend seamlessly into their surroundings, making them masters of camouflage in their natural habitats. Others might sport a vibrant, almost neon pink, reminiscent of a flamingo's feathers. This striking coloration can be quite eye-catching, making these mice stand out in their environment. The neon pink hue is often a result of specific genetic traits that enhance the pigmentation in their fur. The intensity of their pink coloration can vary depending on factors like age, health, and even the individual's genetic makeup. Younger mice, for instance, often have more vibrant colors due to their thinner skin and higher metabolic rates. Healthier mice also tend to have brighter hues, as their bodies are better at producing and maintaining pigmentation. For example, younger mice might have a more intense pink hue due to thinner skin, which allows the underlying blood vessels to show through more prominently. This gives them a more vivid appearance compared to their older counterparts, while older mice might appear paler. As mice age, their skin thickens and their metabolic rate slows down, leading to a reduction in the intensity of their coloration. This natural aging process results in a more subdued yet equally beautiful shade of pink. This range of shades adds to their charm, making each pink mouse a unique and captivating creature. The diversity in their coloration not only makes them a visual delight, but also highlights the complexity of genetic and environmental interactions. Each pink mouse tells a story through its color, a story of survival, adaptation, and the beauty of nature's diversity. Miniature marvels' size and weight. Despite their unusual coloration, pink mice share a similar size and build with their more common brown counterparts. They are small and compact, typically measuring between 3 to 4 inches in length, excluding their tails. Their tails can be as long as their bodies, providing balance and aiding in their agile movements. In terms of weight, adult pink mice generally weigh between 20 to 40 grams, which is roughly equivalent to the weight of a few grapes. Their small size and light weight make them incredibly nimble and adept at navigating their surroundings, whether it be a dense forest floor or a cluttered laboratory cage. A fragile existence, lifespan, and care. While their pink coloration makes them stand out, it also comes with a cost. Pink mice tend to have a shorter lifespan compared to their brown counterparts. This is partly due to the genetic mutation that causes their lack of pigment, which can make them more susceptible to certain health issues. Their lack of camouflage also makes them more vulnerable to predators in the wild, as their bright pink fur makes them easy targets. In captivity, however, they can live for 2 to 3 years with proper care. This includes providing them with a safe and stimulating environment, a balanced diet, and regular veterinary checkups.